Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can upload and add an image to your websites and web pages you create on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your website project, access it through the website editor here on Wix. And what you want to do is navigate to the section first on your web page. So let me go to the home page of that website here and add it to that section. Click into the given section. Next, click into that plus button on the left panel, add elements, hover your mouse over images and select upload and import. Next, navigate to upload images, or you may import them, for example, from Google Drive, Google Photos, I assume, Facebook, Instagram, but I will upload them from my device. To do that, click into this button, and after that, click into that button to locate the file on your device. Or as previously mentioned, you may use one of these widgets here to connect your account with Google Drive, for example, and to source these images from your Google Drive account. And after that, the given image will be, or photo in JPEG file format, will be added to your library like I did with my channel logo here. So what you want to do is simply select it with your left mouse, and you may crop and edit it here, for example, adjust its settings. I'm going to skip this and instead add it directly to that section by clicking into this button in the bottom right, and that is going to add it to that section. Now I can move it, for example, I can resize it. Let me move it to the top right corner of that section. That's it. Below you'll see various image editing tools like the settings here, with hyperlinks. Then you got the cropping tool, an image design, filters to apply, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.